Hi, I'm Rebecca Gunther with M5A1Photography.com, and I'm going to talk to you about possible careers in photography in the insurance industry. When it comes to insurance, there are a few different things that you could be doing photographically in there. Most likely it's going to be going out and about. Possibly you'll have to document the damage that was done to a home or a car if there was an accident, and you're going to want to make sure that you get the details of these things. You'll probably be working for the insurance company, and you're going to want to learn what they're looking for. They might be looking for proof that there's not enough damage for them to pay. You never know. So you're going to want to listen to what they want and go out and get those pictures. Another possible career could be helping the insurance company catch someone in the act of faking injury. Maybe someone's faking injury from work and the insurance company doesn't want to have to pay on that because the person's not really hurt. It might be your job to go sit outside and photograph the person and catch them in the act of not being injured, pretty much, and then reporting back to the insurance company and helping them that way. And those are just a couple of possible careers in the insurance industry.